What's up, y'all? Welcome back for another one. Today I'm going to be changing out my hood struts. Brought some new ones on eBay for about 20 bucks. These ones right here I got off at the junkyard, and I believe I got them off a Grand Marquis. Not of the same year era, but older one. And they fit, it's just the hood doesn't open up more. So with these correct hood shocks, the hood will be able to rise up more. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, and I'll bring you guys back. Boom, there you have it. Now, as you can see, the hood opens much wider. I got some more videos on the way. I'm gonna be replacing the radiator. I'm gonna be replacing the water pump. I replaced the manifold not too long ago because I thought I had a leak. Come to find out, I had a leaking heater core, so I had to bypass it. So yeah, had to bypass it and get my heater core fixed in the future. But for today, just replacing these hood shocks. Much wider, open. They look good. Yep. Alright guys, it's good to be back. It's good everybody's watching. I'm still here, I'm still around. Still got the lanky link. Until next time, you guys have a good one. Peace.